क्या ये ब्लैक होल? Was that black hole, Sonu?
अगर तुमने ट्रेनिंग नहीं देखी
Black hole training? Black hawk.
हॉल
What's that mean? Black hole.
कहाँ तुम सोशल मीडिया चलाते हो पीछे रह गए?
कोई मीम है क्या?
नहीं,
तो
ट्रेनिंग है भाई।
कौन सी ट्रेनिंग है?
ब्लैक हॉल
ये ब्लैक लेडी ट्रेनिंग है। Tammy, do you want to cross this? We can go from there, like jump there, stone, 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 and cross.
Why don't we just sit here and listen to the rush of the water?
Why? Then let's go. If you want more nice place to sit, Sonu, come with me. No, 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 no. I will tell you. Come with me. Come.
I can't go down that far.
You can come.
My legs are too.
Come, come, come.
Just a minute. You'll drag me.
Yeah. Then I'm saying come. Just put your phone. Everywhere you will take your phone first. Just hang your phone in your that. Put your phone chain. Just jump. Yeah. Just put your here. Just put that. Here. 1 sec.
I won't stay in there. That's
Yeah. Then. Okay. Come. I will tell you. Come. Oh, more interesting here. Tammy, come. Hold my hand.
oh, that's
Don't do drama.
no, that's
I will hold you.
you can't hold me. You can't.
Yeah, I will tell
You
Tammy.
didn't have proper-
Trust. Come. I will hold you.
I'm
Don't worry.
slipping already.
I'm holding you. Why are you doing drama? Don't be a grandma. Come here, this side. You can't. No, see, doing drama, just
I'm
doing
not,
drama.
I'm slipping. Oh, look.
Yeah, that's really nice. This is your braking power.
You don't have any.
Why you bring shoes in car? Yeah, and why you don't wear it?
Well,
Here, it's easy now. Come. Now we can sit on a tree. On a tree or on a stone. Now again, there is no slippery. Come here.
are
See.
you crazy?
See, here. It's not too. Here. Here. See? Come. Hold my hand. Yeah, just come. Don't worry.
Now where do I go?
Put your 1 feet here. Bring that feet there first. Yeah, like that. Like that. Like that. Now you're walking like a kid. Just sit. Or if you want to feel water, you can sit there. Okay, you can sit here. Put your feet. दो परिंदे. Happy? Tammy, do you want to sit here? Just leave your slippers. Here. Give me your hand. Yeah, come. Come. Just put your neck feet here. Here. Yeah, just sit here. Here. Yeah. Okay? आजा तू भी आजा परिंदे राम 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 करते हुए आजा It's nice and cold. Yeah. पानी तो बहुत क्लियर आता है भाई, बिल्कुल क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर। बस दिक्कत तो है कि ये यहाँ के रॉक्स और वो चीज़ है ना, ये नाटक करता हुआ गोड्डे फुड़वा होगा। सौ बार कहिए क्रॉक्स खरीद ले या जूते पहन के आए कर। वहाँ बैठ जा, यहाँ बैठ जा।
चप्पल इज द बेस्ट।
हाँ चप्पल इज द बेस्ट। आ जा। इधर बैठ जा, इधर है। यू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट योर यूट्यूब चैनल, यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग वीडियो। ओह
ग्रिप है चप्पलों में, ग्रिप।
Tammy, do you want to sit there? What? No, like on do that rock. That rock. You can see that whole water body. You want to? Let's go there. Why? Let's go. You want to go? No? टैमी मेरी फोटो खींचती हुई। हमारे चोई साहब बैठे हुए हैं और ये अपने कुछ इंडियन भाई बैठे हुए हैं, दोस्त यार आ रखे हैं। ये फॉल है, पता नहीं क्या, मैं तो नाम भी भूल गया इस फॉल का। एयरपोर्ट पार्क के अंदर है। हमारे वहाँ एक सर्वर नौकरी करती है, 45 आई थिंक 45 एज होगी, बहुत सालों से कर रही है। कभी जॉब चेंज नहीं किया, स्टार्टिंग से जो हमारे उसमें ही कर रही है। तो वो बंदी है उसमें। यहाँ तुम्हें आवाज़ तो आएगी नहीं मेरे को लग रहा है। आई विल टेल यू लेटर। तो उस बंदी ने हमें बताया था यहाँ के बारे में कि ऐसे फॉल्स है। वो बताती रहती है इधर जाना कुनाल, वो मैं जाता हूँ। ब्रुक फॉल्स है, लॉट्स ऑफ फॉल्स है, नाइस है, नेचर वाइज नाइस है कनाडा मेरे से पूछा जाए तो। नेचर वाइज नाइस है, पर हाँ रिलेशन वाइज और मतलब कल्चर वाइज ट्रेडिशन वाइज नहीं जचता। यहाँ लोगों की पड़ी नहीं है, पड़ोसी को पड़ोसी का नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है। अपने को आदत है मज़े रहने की कि जहाँ चाचा ताइया मामा मामी हों, पूछने वाले हों, चीज़ें हों। किसी बंदे को बंदे की कदर ही नहीं है, फ़ोन क्या कर रहे हैं किसी को कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता। देखो ओके Tammy like ragged fall more than this falls, and I already asked Tammy's view that we guys already visit 3 falls: Brook Falls, Ragged Fall, and was that this one?
Stubbs Fall.
Stuffs Fall.
I don't think Sonu's been to
No, Sonu
Brook
been to
Falls.
Ragged Falls,
but he hasn't been to Brooks Fall.
Brook Falls. Sonu, you already seen 2 falls nearby our place, like Muskoka's one. Which one you like?
This
This one rather than Ragged one?
Well, this one's nicer for sitting in.
Yeah. And Ragged Fall is like high,
forest
dangerous.
is good here.
Yeah. Sonu like more wood, more greenery. And why, Tammy, why you like that one?
Ragged Falls?
Yeah.
The water is so fast and so rushing.
Oh, because it's heavy and dangerous.
Yeah,
You like dangerous thing?
I like to hear it.
Oh, this is also good in here.
Yeah, you hear. It's
What-
more therapeutic. This one.
Yeah, but that one I can say. See, that one is more. I will say that one is more good for sitting.
This one.
This one,
Yeah.
that one you can visit, see, back.
Is this
And-
for our service?
Yeah, that's our car there. And yeah. In my opinion,
Yes.
I also like this one. Of all 3.
Okay, this one wins.
Yeah, this one wins because I like this one. More wood, quiet, nature. You can sit, you can enjoy your loveliness, aloneness, your chair, your coffee. You can sit, you can enjoy. But yeah, we want to take Sonu to Brook Falls and let see, because most of the people like Brook Falls here, but I don't like. When I visit there, I didn't like Brook Falls that much. That people are crazy about. We will take you on Brook Falls one day. We can go to Brook Falls tomorrow, but I'm working at 5, and Sonu is also working. I'm doing kind of delivery. Just I'm going for a restaurant for 5-10 minutes because I want to drop some food somewhere, and then I'm done. My shift done in 15-20, and they will pay me good. Okay, let's go home. Boom.